Good morning, class. Today, we're going to discuss about the first chapter of your business studies book. Chapter's name is Nature and Significance of Management.
Great! Looks like we're going to learn something new today.
Yes, so let's get started. Can anyone define what management means to them?
Management involves coordinating and overseeing the activities of an organization to achieve its goals.
Great start. Now, why is management considered a universal process?
It's universal because it is applicable to all types of organizations, regardless of their size and nature of organizations.
Good. Now you, Kamal, tell me the key reasons why management is important for an organization.
I'd say management helps in achieving goals effectively and efficiently.
Absolutely. It ensures optimal use of resources. Now, let's explore the functions of management. Can someone name a few management functions?
Planning, organizing, staffing, directing, and controlling.
Precisely. Now let's relate these functions to a real-world example. How might the planning function apply to a business?
In a business, planning involves setting goals, defining strategies, and deciding on the actions needed to achieve those goals.
Well done. Now, considering the dynamic nature of business, why is flexibility important in the management process?
Flexibility is crucial because it allows organizations to adapt to changes in the business environment and stay competitive.
Great insight. As we conclude today's discussion, keep in mind that the nature and significance of management lay the foundation for our understanding of business operations. Your homework is to research a company and analyze how effective management contributes to its success. We'll discuss your findings in our next class. That's all for today. Thank you, class.